Printed circuit boards, PCBs, are the backbone of modern electronics, giving a platform for the components that power our devices. One of the most distinctive features of PCBs is their green color, but why are they green and is there a reason for this color choice? The green color of PCBs is the result of a protective coating known as the solder mask, which protects delicate circuits and components which might get damaged by handling or exposure to the environment. The green color of the solder mask was chosen for a few key reasons. First and foremost, the green color provides a high level of contrast against the metal circuits and components that is less likely to cause eye fatigue during quality inspections, which are heavily relied on workers manually. Another factor is their low cost and is easy to produce using a range of materials and processes, which means that manufacturers can produce PCBs in this color at a relatively low cost. The green PCB is also more environmentally friendly, and the waste board will not release toxic gas when it is recycled at high temperature. Other PCB colors, such as blue and black, are doped with cobalt and carbon, respectively. Because they have weak electrical conductivity, there is a risk of short circuit. In addition, black, purple, and blue are darker, which increases the difficulty of the inspection and maintenance of the motherboard, and the process is not easy to control. So, why are most circuit boards green? The simple answer is because they've always done it that way, and there isn't a clear reason to switch. The green solder mask produces the most durable, functional, and affordable option, and until PCB manufacturers find a better alternative, we expect them to stay green.